مرحبا أهلا وسهلا أنا جهيد. Hi, how are you? I'm Jahid. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn Arabic with Jahid Institute of International Languages. In this lesson we will learn how to say what is that. Are you ready? Let's start. First of all, using what is that for masculine nouns in Arabic is ما ذلك, and for feminine nouns is ما تلك. ما تلك has two usages. One is for singular, it means what is that, and the other is for non-human plural nouns, it means what are those. As I explained in the last lessons, ذلك and tilka or demonstrative pronouns. Ma is a noun is used to ask questions and it is typically translated as what. Let's look at the following examples.
As I said before, how to say what is that in Arabic? What is that in Arabic is ما ذلك or ما تلك. ما ذلك ما ذلك ما ذلك, it means what is that. As I illustrated in the previous lesson, ma is a noun used for asking a question in Arabic. ذلك, it means that or is that. ما ذلك is used for masculine nouns or males. ذلك مدرس مدرس. ذلك مدرس, it means that is a teacher, a male teacher. مدرس, it means a teacher or is a teacher. ذلك مهندس مهندس. ذلك مهندس, it means that is an engineer. مهندس, it means an engineer or is an engineer. ذلك مدرس or هل ذلك مدرس or هل ذلك مدرس. ذلك مدرس or هل ذلك مدرس, it means is that a teacher. As I explained in the last lesson, a and hal are the particles of interrogation. ذلك, it means that. مدرس, it means a teacher or is a teacher. نعم, it means yes. نعم ذلك مدرس, yes, that is a teacher. أذلك مدرس or هل ذلك مدرس, it means is that a teacher. لا, it means no. لا ذلك مهندس مهندس. لا ذلك مهندس, it means no, that is an engineer. مهندس, it means an engineer. As I illustrated in the previous lesson, نعم and لا are the particles of answering or responding. ما ذلك, what is that. ذلك سرير ذلك سرير. It means that is a bed. سرير. It means a bed or is a bed. ذلك كرسي. 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 ذلك كرسي. It means that is a chair. كرسي. It means a chair or is a chair. أذلك سرير؟ or هل ذلك سرير؟ It means is that a bed؟ نعم. Yes. نعم ذلك سرير. Yes, that is a bed. أذلك سرير؟ or هل ذلك سرير؟ It means is that a bed؟ لا. No. لا ذلك كرسي. No, that is a chair. ما تلك. ما تلك. ما تلك. It means what is that? As I illustrated before, ما تلك is used for feminine nouns or females. تلك طالبة. طالبة. تلك طالبة. It means that is a student. طالبة. It means a student, a female student. تلك مهندسة. مهندسة. تلك مهندسة. It means that is an engineer. مهندسة. It means an engineer, a female engineer. أتلك طالبة or هل تلك طالبة. It means is that a student. نعم. Yes. نعم تلك طالبة. Yes, that is a female student. أتلك طالبة or هل تلك طالبة. It means is that a student. لا. It means no. لا تلك مهندسة. No, that is an engineer or مهندسة. It means a female engineer. ما تلك. It means what is that? تلك بيضة. تلك بيضة. It means that is an egg. بيضة. It means an egg or is an egg. تلك تفاحة. تفاحة. تلك تفاحة. It means that is an apple. تفاحة. It means an apple or is an apple. This letter is wad. أتلك بيضة or هل تلك بيضة. It means is that an egg. نعم. Yes. نعم تلك بيضة. Yes, that is an egg. أتلك بيضة or هل تلك بيضة. Is that an egg. لا. No. لا تلك تفاحة. No, that is an apple. ما تلك it means what are those. تلك سيارات. سيارات. تلك سيارات it means those are cars. سيارات it means cars or are cars. تلك جامعات. جامعات. تلك جامعات it means these are universities. جامعات it means universities or are universities. شكرا لكم. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.